So we rescued this bird that we found that it was injured. I think it's like youngling. It's kind of young, so we decided to keep it and stay with it. Seems to be a little bit injured, so we're trying to help it out. Come? No está por eso, no. ¿Eh? ¿No te quieres quedar ahí ahora? Don't worry, we're gonna make a nice home for you, okay? Now we're going to make a nest for the bird to live in, because now it just stands around their yard, around the house, everywhere, and it does nothing. It doesn't fly away, it doesn't go anywhere. So we're gonna make a home for it so it can sleep there and be happy and nice. We literally just got a bunch of like leaves and bushes and dry stuff, dry sticks, whatever, to like put it inside this little basket. And yeah, pretty simplistic, but it should be perfect for what it is, a nest. We're gonna use some silicone to like glue it in and stuff. Hey, stay in your nest. So there it is. This is where she's gonna live. I mean, that's probably the best spot we have, because she won't get wet when it rains and stuff. So hopefully she likes it. She seems kind of shy, but we'll see.